Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Beans and franks today, really simple, cheap eats. We're going to make this. I've got my son here who's, how old are you?
5.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
What are we making today? Chicken sausages.
Chicken sausages.
And beans.
And beans.
Alright, let's do it. Let's take a look at this really simple ingredients. So 1 can of baked beans, some chopped fresh tomatoes, our chicken franks, or you could be using a beef frank or whatever you want really. I'm adding some extra beans. These are aduki beans, but you could be trying some red beans in there. You don't have to do that, but just adds a little bit more colour. Onions, chopped garlic, and then a few spices, salt and pepper, a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of cumin. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, super easy. Okay, so I've got a pan here with some oil in. I'm using the sunflower oil, we're just heating that up. And we're going to put in our onions and garlic. Is that right, Axel?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the onions. All of them, the whole thing. Thanks, mate. In they go. And the garlic, please. Great. In the garlic goes. I mean, I've sliced this, but you can chop it small if you want. And then, just on a medium heat, we're going to throw this around in the pan just for like 3 minutes. Okay, so these are just changing colour. Now it's time to put in our sausages or our franks. Can you pass them to me, please, mate? Do you like chicken sausages? Yeah? Yeah. Right, in they go. We're just going to fry these around in the pan just for a couple more minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, this is coming together nicely. What's next, mate?
Tomatoes and the chili.
Okay, give me the tomatoes then. Let's get those in. So here we go with our chopped fresh tomato and the spices. Do you want to hand that over? Cheers. So what I'm using today is cumin, chili powder, salt and pepper. You could be using something else like a paprika or something if you wanted. Or maybe like a Italian type basil or mixed herb or oregano. Okay, we're going to stir this around for, how long should we stir this around for? 2 minutes?
1 minute.
Only 1 minute, okay. Alright, I thought it was 2, but apparently it's just 1 minute. Okay, so that was 1 or 2 minutes. Now we're going to add our extra beans. Can you pass those to me, mate? Okay, so these are aduki beans, but like I say, kidney beans work really well. Chickpeas, something like that. And if you're using from a can, which I'm doing, always make sure that you give them a nice wash in some cold water, because those beans that come in that water, it's not so great. Okay, how long do we stir this for now? 3 minutes. Okay, alright, 3 minutes, keep it moving.
Not heavy, I'm just kidding.
It's not heavy?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is coming together really nicely. The tomatoes are breaking down a little bit. Now we're going to add in our can of beans. Shall I take that? You're going to do it? Okay, give me.
I told you.
I thought you said it was heavy, then not heavy, I don't know. 1 can of regular baked beans, in that goes. Then what we're going to do is just turn the heat down a little bit. Let this go for about 3 or 4 more minutes. And this really simple beans and franks, or franks and beans, is done. Look good? Yeah?
Yeah. Enough of even don't come also all the things.
Yeah, all the things, yeah. Well, are you going to eat some of this? No? Why not? Doesn't look good?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, that's it. Really simple. Great, just as it is, or with some jacket potatoes maybe. Nice cheap eats. Nice and easy. We'll see you soon.
Bye. See you to our next cooking channel. I love you. Bye.
That's very nice. You love them, do you? That's good. Bye-bye.